Buen dia, Nuevo Laredo. Good morning, and thank you so much for the opportunity to spend a few minutes with you. I'm very sorry that we won't be able to be with you on Friday. That would have been our preference, but I wanted to start by congratulating you on an incredible accomplishment. 5 million hours. What an incredible safety milestone. Vince, what would you say about that?
Yeah, I think, John, that's great. I'm so proud of this team. Since I've been here, seeing you guys develop, and the safety record speaks for itself. With focus on behavior safety and looking out for one another has really paid dividends.
That's awesome. As you guys go through your walk today, I'm sure you're going to hear from lots of leaders about really important themes and kind of the journey that we're on together as a company and at this particular site. I'd ask you to remember a couple things. What makes Robertshaw magical is our focus on our customers. We do everything necessary to do what's necessary to solve our customers' problems and then ultimately to make them successful. So that means a focus on safety, that means a focus on quality, and that means a focus on flexibility and helping them get things done more quickly. This site and the data from this site, the results, the KPIs, exemplifies that journey.
What I've seen from this team in my 2 years almost at Robertshaw's is the evolution and growth of this team, even in the face of pandemic, supply chain issues, quarantine. You guys have weathered the storm, the leadership and everybody here in the plant, and you guys have risen above that. And when I look at your KPIs on, as John said, customers first, solving their problems, you know, the past dues, we're controlling that as much as we can, working with our suppliers. We've got great quality improvement in PPM at the customer over the last 2 years, dropping down significantly, and a lot of journey ahead of us, but really proud of what this team's accomplished and what you've been able to do for Robertshaw.
The last 2.5 years have been incredibly chaotic. We've had to worry about our families, we've had to take care of loved ones, we've had to navigate through all the challenges of the COVID situation have brought us. We've had to figure out how to work remotely, how to work in our own facilities, how to stay safe, how to keep each other safe. On top of that, we've had to navigate through all kinds of supply chain challenges, and I think if there was a word, it would be chaos.
Yeah.
This team has navigated through that chaos in an incredible way. Now things are starting to normalize just a little bit, and so we need to focus going forward on continuing to improve our customer quality, driving down those past dues, and continuing to improve our customer responsiveness. I know because of what we've done over the last 2.5 years that we're going to come out of this stronger than ever, and I know that this site will continue to show the same level of focus and dedication to every one of our metrics, whether it's past dues or quality, as you have with safety. Again, congratulations on that incredible milestone.
Thanks, John, and I agree completely. You guys have delivered so well, and now we're at the face of a journey on high growth here at one of the leading plants globally for Robertshaw, and you guys are standing up the growth in many products, delivering those to customers with great quality and performance amidst this chaos, as John said, that we've been dealing with. So thanks again, and I look forward to being part of it. It's the best part of my job to be here on site and see all of you. It really helps, and look forward to seeing all you guys out on the floor and talking to you more as we follow our journey around the plant. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Yeah, thanks guys.